We interrupt your usual morning routine with this breaking update.
Morena koutou, ko Poppy Harvey aho.
Ata Māori e koutou, ko Linda Sanchez aho.
This morning, we bring you a very special broadcast about our upcoming school-wide kaupapa.
First up, we have two beautiful whakatoki we would like to share with you.
He maramatanga tō tēnei whetū. He maramatanga anō tō tērā whetū. Each star has its own brilliance, its radiance and its own special shine.
Wha te iti kahurangi ki te tuahu koe, me he maunga titi. Seek the treasure you value dearly. If you bow your head, let it be to a lofty mountain.
With these two whakatoki in mind, this morning we bring you an exciting announcement.
That's right, Poppy. As you know, the 2024 Olympics will take place at the end of this week in Paris.
Oh, that is so exciting!
It really is, but that's not even the most exciting part, Poppy. In just over 6 weeks' time, Te Kura or Porritt will host our very own Olympic Games. These games promise to bring a showcase of individuality, teamwork and sheer excellence.
Tamariki o Te Kura o Porritt, your wero over the next 6 weeks is to learn about your own whakapapa. Noa hea koe, where are you from? Which country will you represent at our Olympics? What are you striving to be excellent at? What will be your gold medal?
Sorry? Can you hear that?
Yes, someone's coming through live.
Yes, some of our coaches and athletes would like to share some of their hopes and aspirations.
Kia ora Poppy, kia ora Linda. You've just caught me doing some pretty hardcore training for the Olympics. I'm going to be representing the country of Ireland because that's in my heritage, and I will be working towards a gold medal for speed Rubik's cubing. It's hard training, but somebody's got to do it.
Sanbonani folks, we are super lucky here to have stumbled across Mrs. Bera training for the Olympics in artistic bubble blowing. This is a very rare skill, and this is our national champion in her adopted country of South Africa here, training in an undisclosed location in New Zealand in preparation. Just look at those bubbles.
Kia ora nā anau, it's Ben Cuts Martin here from Aitutaki, Manahiki in Rarotonga, representing the people of the beautiful islands of the Cook Islands, chasing our first medal at the Olympics ever in the coveted sport of rock, paper, scissors. Me take whānau.
Kia ora, I'm Whai Hannah and I'm coming to you live from Norway. Such a beautiful place is Norway. I actually hail from Norway, England, Ireland, Scotland and Spain. However, for the Te Kura o Porritt 2024 Olympics, I will be representing Norway. I will strive to achieve excellence and a gold medal in the category of handstand walking, specifically technique and control rather than speed. All right, I'm going to give you a little taster of what to expect from me at the Olympics.
Kia ora Linda and Poppy, Violet Boone here with New Zealand's knucklebone champion Mrs. Shine. Miss Shine is in training for the Paris Olympics where she is striving for excellence by taking the gold medal win in knucklebones. Training has been serious for several months now. How are you feeling about your upcoming challenge?
Thanks, Violet. I'm feeling pretty confident. You know, hard work pays off.
Check out Miss Shine in action. Amazing talent.
Hola, mi amigos. Enrique Manuel, coming to you live from not so sunny Segovia in Spain. I am a distant relative of your Mr. Paupuni. I am representing Spain at the Pinnacle Championships of the Olympics in France. I look forward to showing you my skill. Back me, mi amigos. I know that you know that Spain is champion right now in European football, in tennis, and also in Sail GP. I hope to bring the Pinnacle Championship home to Segovia. Hola, mi amigos. Vamos, España!
Oh, g'day mate. It's Firetessa here. I hail from England, Scotland, Ireland, New Zealand and Australia. This year in the 2024 Paris Olympics, I'm going to be representing Australia in paper planes, hoping to get that gold medal. I've got my fighter jet over here, got my streamline baby over here. Let's see how far we can take them. Woo! Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Oi, oi, oi!
You've just caught me coming back from a hard training run. I'm representing Croatia. I'm a quarter Croatian, my heritage. I'm representing Croatia in cycling at the Olympics. I best I get back to it.
Kia ora, I'm Matua Ferg, and I'll be representing Scotland in this year's Paris Olympic Games, and I'll be the trainer for the Scottish Jolly Jumper team.
Jolly jumping is one of the new additions to the Olympic Games this year. Its popularity has really taken off around the world. And while this young man was unable to talk to the media today due to his strict training routine, his trainer says he's been very, very impressed with the discipline he has shown in the lead up to these Olympic Games. Yeah, look, I've been really impressed with this young fella. He's come in, you know, he comes into training every morning, he's keen as. At the moment we're just trying to work on his posture and his footwork, but you know, honestly his attitude has been second to none.
Kia ora Linda, kia ora Poppy, I hope you can hear me. The reception's not too good here where I am. I'm currently in the island in the country of Rarotonga. My partner and I have been training hard out, hoping to win gold in synchronized swimming. Where is she? There she is.
I'm here at the New Zealand squash courts in Tauranga, and I'm going to be showing you guys my Olympic sport. I'm representing, obviously, our home country, the one country I'm from, Aotearoa, New Zealand. And today I'm going to be showing you what we do and what makes me an Olympic gold medalist. I have this amazing sport of dribbling a squash ball with a racket, and I can do it the fastest in the world. Are you ready? Oh, there it is.
Oh, kia ora Poppy and Linda, you just caught me. I'm just about to go out and do my warm-up training for this morning, getting ready for the Olympics, following in my Scottish ancestry of strength-based sports. So yep, I'd better get on with my challenge. I'll be back with you shortly. That was tough. Quick look at tomorrow's challenge for you. Back to Poppy and Linda in the studio.
Wow, those really are some amazing aspirations. Linda and I look forward to bringing you all the highlights and updates from Te Kura o Porritt Olympics 2024 as the weeks unfold.
Now, that's a wrap for our morning coverage. From all of us here at the studio, thank you. Thank you for joining us. Be yourself
and stay excited.